Well, today we kind of got rocked in Delmarva with snow. It's like 12 inches or something. So I can't actually get my RKE tester. Just to kind of show that like this remote is like say no go. Oh, there's the battery. And this retainer is loose. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop this thing off of here and get prepped for soldering. So here I've got my soldering iron clamped down using like one of those like wood clamp things, those Irwin clamps. I'm using the helping hands to hold that tab into place, and then looking at it from the back side, you can see like the two solder tabs right there. All I'm going to do is just agitate those tabs, get the solder hot again, and it should be good to go. Oh yeah, I got that iron good and hot. Oh yeah. Of course, I'm going to clamp this back down to the table. Let's see. Oh, what's this? Like I just heard the car start. Fuck yeah. And last but not least, I'll put this guy back together. That is like a really tight fit. Speaking of tight fits, have you guys ever been up in an Aquarius? I haven't. So 1 for the Commandant, 2 for the Core, and I just heard the car shut off. So hot damn, that costed me absolutely $0. I can't believe I actually filmed the fucking video. Let's celebrate. Who's got some tuss, motherfuckers? Yo, you guys know me. I never pitch anything like this. But yo, if you're into cars and shit, this dude's got 4,000 motherfucking videos, yo. 4,000 videos. I'm like, damn. Shout out to this dude, Trap My Ride, aka the Blazer King. But when I seen him and Big Sharp doing a repair, it just something clicked in my mind that, dude, I can make working on cars fun again for myself. Because over the last 28 years, I've become a bitter, disgruntled, funny motherfucker when it comes to automotive repair. Best January 6th of 25 ever, motherfucker. What? May 03. I'm out. Like, I recently mentioned Persephone and Wednesday Addams specifically to all my folk on Matrix Explained. Coincidences are signs from God. Okay? Or chance.